My name is Chepkemoi Magdalene. I'm the founder and the executive director at Eldohub. Eldohub is an organization which is based in Eldoret in the North Rift Western region of Kenya. Our main focus is to support youth and women by preparing them to benefit from the opportunities the digital economy offers, with a focus on job creation, employability skills or rather skills development, and also digital transformation of MSMEs. On the entrepreneurial front, we also realize there are so many businesses who are struggling to get the right people to help them in their digital transformation. This is where we come in by providing them with the right skills, and this will bring in the mutual value between the businesses.
I would like to thank Eldohub for this program, Digital Apprenticeship Program, that has been able to boost my career and also the career of other young tech professionals out there. And I think it's a very nice program whereby if you can be able to get mentorship and trainings as Eldohub has been able to do, this will be very good for each and every young talent that will be able to undergo the project.
I came to know about Eldohub in the year 2021 when they invited me to join the digitization of women-led business, and also I did another program called No Code, where I learned about how to code without using the coding language. Another program that I benefited through Eldohub was the WeDo. WeDo was able to help us with funding, where we are able to grow our business, and we were able to grow from 2 employees to 5 now, and we thank Eldohub for that.
Through our various training programs, we have trained close to 3,000 young women, youth, within schools, out of school, and even including kids through the Kids Bootcamp.
I want to invite like-minded organizations and individuals to support us in our journey of ensuring that we reach a large number of unemployed youth by connecting them to employment and also ensuring that they have access to job skills.